Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good day, good night in some places. My name is Albert Tan from Download Silo. Welcome to tonight's webinar on this DirectoryIdeas AI walkthrough. And today we have a special guest. His name is Tejas. Tejas, how are you?
I'm doing good. What about?
Okay, so hopefully that you can hear me and see me in the video. And guys, if you can hear us talking about uh, right now, please type your name in the chat so that we can know who is talking. Whether where are you from as well? Maybe you can see here we have Latif from United Kingdom. Rohit, I do not know. I think you're from India, definitely. And we have Niraj. Niraj, I don't know where are you from, Niraj? Niraj Kumar Jha. Just say that. Just type in your name and also your or not destination, your the place of origin, so that we
I
know.
guess it's from India. Like he was in touch with me. Yeah.
Oh, I see. So no problem.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I think the sound is good. The video is good, and one more time, good afternoon, good evening, good day, everybody. My name is Albert Tan, and I see Joginda joining. How are you guys? So before further ado, I would like to invite Joginda, not Joginda, sorry, to invite Tejas to give us
Yeah.
a very short introduction about himself, so that before we start, we know a little bit about himself.
Yeah.
Tejas?
Uh, yeah. So hello everyone. Welcome to this live stream. I'm glad that you have put your precious time into like watching my live stream about directories, ideas, and like overall the directory business. So my name is Tejas. I am from Mumbai, and currently I built this app called DirectoryIdeas AI, which will help you in building a directory business. Previously I have built a and I would say a directory, but I positioned it as a research solution. I think you might have already know about Affiliate Corner. So that was quite a successful business for me, and I thought like, okay, this directory business is quite good. So what if like I can help founders or any entrepreneurs or anyone who wants to build a directory business. So with this tool, DirectoryIdeas.ai, I want to help everyone who wants to build a directory business with the ideating stage, and obviously with those ideas they can build a great directory business. So in this video, in this walkthrough video as well, this webinar, I will be sharing a lot of stuff with you. I will sharing a lot of tips, insights about directory business, and overall, in all anything about the entrepreneurial journey, because I have been into this journey for around 3 years now. And I call myself as a marketeer, but currently, as you know, the AI coding or the vibe coding has been in a lot of demand. So you can like ask me any questions about that as well. I am open to hearing any kind of questions, like apart from directories as well. So yeah, that's about it.
Okay, thank you, Tejas. So
Yeah.
thank you for your what I call a present here. And tonight we're going to see how actually is your new product called DirectoryIdeas.ai works.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people wanted to start a business on directories, but they do not
Yeah.
know what is actually the best idea or what best target market they want to engage in. They do not know how to start because they do not have any data, do not have any keywords, do not have any idea of what to go, how to do it. So I think this platform by you will what I call fill that gap, because I think there's not many tools that around that actually doing this kind of niche research on directories, specifically directories, because that's very important. Before
Yeah.
you actually embark into a project, set up a website or a directory, you must know who
Yeah.
is your target audience, whether this market is good, how profitable it is. So all these questions have to be answered first before you actually start it. Don't go
Right.
blindly and just start something. You think that it will work, but then eventually you got burned, that kind of thing. So
Right.
before we actually go into the actual demo of this directly ideas.ai, I would like to ask on behalf of the audience, a few intimate questions about Tejas itself. So Tejas, you are a startup founder.
Yeah.
May I know what have you done before this project? You have done any other project or have
Yeah.
you done any startup? Just clarify.
Yeah. So basically, I started with directory as well. So this is like why I think like directory business are so good. Like even if you want to start something online, right, you can build a directory. So when I started, like built a directory called as swipe directory, which was a very basic kind of a directory, which was like a collection of marketing resources, and I had like some affiliate links from there. And I think I probably like generated around 1500 or something dollars in a year. Like I didn't invest much time because I wanted to experiment with that directory. I built that with a very no code tool like called a spread simple. And I built that, and then later on I sold it to one of the guys I found on like on Twitter. And I sold it for like around 5 to 6 thousand dollars. I guess that guy was from Canada. And like I sold that directly for like around $6,000. And so that was my first initial product, which was a directory business. The second one was like affiliate corner. I think most of them would know it, but those who don't know, affiliate corner was like a research solution for affiliate marketers, which in that tool we had like a lot of affiliate programs. And along with the affiliate programs, we had like a lot of insights on the affiliate niches, like keywords to target, like how to promote the affiliate program, or how to promote your affiliate products and make money. And lots of like insightful data regarding affiliate niches. And that was quite a successful product for me. I guess it generated like around 75 to $80,000 in a span of like 1.5 to 2 years of period. And then later on I was like, okay, let's move on to a different kind of a business where I would like to have like a software kind of a business. Then I shifted my mind to a software, like proper software as a service, like a SaaS tool, which will actually help founders or anyone who wants to build a directory business. And that's where DirectoryIdeas AI was born. And yeah, I am hopeful like you will like this tool.
Okay, thank you for your what I call your background.
Yeah.
So since you have actually have gone, I mean, in your entrepreneurial journey, so we would like also to know what is actually your ultimate plan. Is there a exit strategy for this
No.
product as well, or do you want to continue it, with you without actually selling it off?
Yeah. So yeah, that's the like question like most of the people ask, like what if like you sell it or exit it, and then it would go to another hands, and like what will happen to this like business. So this with this business, I don't have any plans for exit right now, because I want to make this product as great as possible. So I actually want like a lot of feedback, a lot of suggestions from anyone who is into directory business, and want to make this product a go-to tool for anyone who wants to enter into a directory business. So I have a lot of things on my roadmap. I will share it with you as the video progresses. I have a lot of my ideas in my mind to make this product a go-to tool. So if you want to build a directory business, this is the tool that you would want to have, so that it will ease out a lot. I guess there's a lot of things that comes into consideration when you're building a directory business. Ideation is also there, marketing is there, building is there, right? And getting traffic and sales. Obviously there are a lot of factors that goes into a directory business. I'm currently touching the ideating part, like the ideas part, because without a great idea, business would not be good, right? So idea is also good, obviously execution is better. And marketing and selling, as you all know, that is the king of every business out there. So yeah, so I am hopeful to make this product a very valuable tool.
Okay, thank you, Tejas. One last question.
Yeah.
Uh, are you alone, what I call founder, or do you have a team? I mean, maybe a small team or whatever, helping you to actually to make this project a success.
Yeah, so basically I'm currently working solo on this, and I might hire some freelancers over the course of time, because I will be building some alternate products as well, apart from directory ideas. So I might hire some freelancers later on, but currently, because the cost of intelligence is going down. And like if you can do your stuff, because the stuff that you're building, right? Not the freelance. Obviously if team is quite good, like it will help you rapidly grow your business and build features at a rapid scale. But like with AI coding as well, like with AI assistance coding, like you can obviously build features at a very rapid pace. Right now I'm doing it on my own because I know like what I want. I can build it and directly, push it to the production. Like obviously with testing I can build it and push it to production. So currently it's a like solo thing, and you can like obviously give me any feedback that you have, and I will iterate on my tool like as soon as possible. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, thank you, Tejas. Because there are actually two types of entrepreneurs startups. Some are very small; they have a team of maybe less than five, less than 10. Some are solos like you. So I mean, it's up to individual because sometimes, from what I see, is people always start with one person.
Right,
After
right.
that, you have a partner, or maybe you have another team mate, or maybe you get in a three or four. If you get go bigger, then you got more people. So I mean, this is what startup founder do, you know. So, guys, without further ado, I would like to invite Tejas to go into the back end of this, or maybe go into the software itself to demo to you how to get the right niche by using a niche research, using the directory ideas AI, and to give you a lot of insight on your competitor, on the market, and also the research part of it, how to do it effectively inside this software. Tejas, can you just share your screen so that we can project it
Yeah,
out?
yeah, I will share my screen now.
Okay.
Is it visible to you guys?
Yes, it's up now.
Yeah, it's visible, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so basically, like guys, anyone who is watching, this is like the dashboard of the DirectoryIdeas AI. So what this tool does is like you input a term, and it will generate ideas for you along with the insights, right? So yeah, this is like the current dashboard. So let's start with one, uh, my favorite kind of search term, that is woodworking, because like woodworking is quite a good niche in like a US market. So I guess we'll start from there and let's see how it generate ideas for us. So it's quite good in niche, I would say. In the US market, it's quite a big niche in the US market. And yeah, so let's see in this list like what happens. Like I guess it's taking some time. Maybe I would reload it. Yeah, it's validating the input, cooking some ideas,
Cooking up ideas.
cooking some ideas. Yeah. Also, just to note, like
Yeah.
I am on a sketchy internet speed, so just mind you, like anything happens, right? Okay. Yeah. So basically, I have got this directory, ideas. So maybe I will just, woodworking supplier directory. So I guess I will just try this, and you can generate more insights on that particular idea as well. So I'll just generate insights for this particular idea, that is woodworking supplier directory. Yeah, so what we got is like so woodworking supplier directory, what exactly is this, right? So these are the some of the pain points that this directory solves. Like finding high quality woodworking suppliers is very difficult, inconsistency in product pricing, lack of trustworthy reviews. So in this like section, you can get like what are the pain points that you are actually solving with this directory, right? Then these are the target audiences, right? So which exactly is the target audience that you are like targeting towards. Then these are the marketing strategies. Obviously this is like an overview of it. In my future roadmap I would because I heard with a lot of founders that they would require some in-depth insights on marketing that directory. So I would do that in my future roadmap in more detailed manner for marketing, but currently this is like the marketing strategies for this particular directory, to promote. And for woodworking supplier directory, how you can gather the data, right? So you can gather the data with these techniques, right? I've also got the techniques with us. Then there are some focus keywords, right? So what are the focus keywords? Currently there are zero monthly searches, but obviously you can, if you just do a proper SEO research for your directory, you will get a lot of keywords for that. So also that this comes under marketing. So in my future roadmap I want to give more insights towards SEO and marketing. That would be my focus, and I guess that would be very very helpful for anyone who wants to build a directory business, right? So that helps with marketing. Then these are some of the data points that are needed to to build your directory. Then what you can do is, like, on the left hand side there are more more insights that you can like click on it to get some technical insights, like exactly how you can build your directory and a step by step guide to build this particular directory, that is the woodworking supplier directory, right? So it's quite like generating a technical insights on this particular directory right now. So until then we can like check. Yeah, so these are the technical insights. So some of the technical challenges that this director can have, like if you want to implement a user rating reviews, this can be a technical challenge because like obviously you need to get a lot of ratings and reviews. Search and sort, but I guess like search and sort filter functionality is quite easy to implement. I will talk about like how to build a directory later on, because that would be like quite easy. Then let's click on step by step guide. So it will help you with the step by step guide as well. I guess it's yeah, I guess there is some error. I will have to check it out. Quite a bug as well here. Yeah, there is some error, like I will have to check this out later on. Yeah, so for like this particular insights, I have got this particular, like for this particular directory I have got this kind of insights as well. So now what we can do, then now the best part is like you can get niche insights as well. So we have, so the thing that happened is like I already I have searched before for woodworking, so this is why I already got the data sets and APIs. Like, so in this particular niche, woodworking, what are the databases or data sets and APIs that I can use to build my directory product? So these are some of the APIs and data sets that I can use to build a directory product, right? So you can get a lot of data sets and use that data set as a base to build directory product, because all in all directory product is nothing about that. It is all about data. It is all about like important data or research data that you can like use in your directory, right? So these are some of the databases or APIs that you can use to build your directory product, right? And then there are like how to use this directory, how to use the data set and APIs, right? So this is like how you can like collect these data sets, how you can use that data set to build your directory, how to utilize the wood database, like that you can like do like get insights on all of that. As you can see, like there's a whole step by step guide on it. Then there are some Reddit insights, like subreddit, like what people are talking about woodworking on the Reddit. And I also have some plans on like improving this Reddit conversations, so you can get a lot of better ideas, like what exactly people want regarding woodworking, right? So yeah, then there are some existing directories. So this is quite a good insight. Like if there are any existing directories or competitors in your niche, you can like check it out and see, do a competitor analysis on this. So these are some, woodworking directories and databases. And I recently probably have, added this market size insights, like for woodworking niche, like so you can get some market size insights on a woodworking niche as well. So it's quite good. So up until now, what I shared is like you can get ideas and insights on particular ideas. You can also get insights on your niche as well, and insights like datasets and APIs, how to use the datasets and APIs, Reddit insights, like what people are talking on Reddit. Then if there are any existing directories like competitors on this particular directory, where you can benchmark like what exactly are my competitors doing, that sort of thing. And these are some global market insights for woodworking. So you can imagine like if that niche is big or small, right? So these are some trends, like sustainability is the trend, DIY is a trend, smart woodworking tools are one of the trend. So if this smart working woodworking tools is one of the trend, you can probably think about your directory business in that manner as well. Then some segments like DIY enthusiasts, industrial woodworking, commercial woodworking, then monetization potential for a directory business in this market. What you can do, you can charge for leads generated through the directory, then marketplace, competition, potential business model that you can do. So you can get a lot of insights from this, niche as well, market size insights, right? And obviously you can save your insights from here. Yeah. So I guess that's about the core product. So what I like shared with you is like you can generate ideas, and even if like you can generate more ideas from here, you can generate eight more ideas five more times. Like you can generate like around eight five, like around 40 45 ideas in one search term, right? And you can get niche level insights from here. Now that's about the core product. Now what happens, like people also like to like validate their niche, right? So let's suppose like I'll clear these results and probably do something else like vegan food. If I want to like see if vegan food is a good idea, vegan food is a good niche to enter my directory, start a directory business in. So I can like get some ideas regarding vegan food, and I can see like if it has any good potential to to create a successful directory. So what happened is like it said me it has a great niche potential. Competition is quite less, profitability is around 90%. So these are some of the pain points that niche could solve. Some potential directory examples that we already have over here. Then some of the valuable keywords, you know in that particular niche. Then monetization strategies that you can apply for your directory business in that particular niche. Then is there any existing competition in that niche? So yes, there is some competition. Then is there any specific use cases that you can like do? Then is there any demand insight, like there are interest in suitable and ethical food choices? Then what you can do to build, to differentiate your directory? So you can do that here. Then what are some demographics in that niche? Then entry barriers and modes, so that you can stand out or make your directory stand out. So that is what you can do from here, and you obviously can save these results as well, right? In the saved results, it will just save your results as well here. So that's about niche validator. So I would like, uh, so that was the core product. Like the core product was ideating directories, then getting niche insights as well. Then this was niche validator, where you can get some niche level, validation for your directory niche. And yeah, so I guess that's about the core product. So it's now it has saved the results. And yeah, and you also get like the history about what you just like what what you searched. You get the history from here. There's some saved insights here, saved ideas and saved niche insights. And yeah, so basically that's about it. And you like in the right hand side you can get product roadmap, like what I'm working on. You can suggest some features. And also you can get 20% off on my course, where I am like helping you or like explaining how to build directory products with no code and AI. So you get that with this product as well. So all in all, this directoryideas.ai, you get ideas, insights on every directory idea, and niche level insights for every directory niche that you search for. So I guess Albert, that's about my core walkthrough video about about my tool. Yeah,
Okay, thank you, Tejas.
yeah,
So let me.
yeah. You
Okay,
can,
so yeah, the screen is no more there, right? Hi.
uh,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah,
Before we actually go into the what they call live chat, the question by the audience, maybe I would like to ask some question on behalf of myself.
yeah.
So when we do the research, what they call the data that is presented to us, would it be saved that automatically, or is we have to do it every time that we click?
So basically, you're asking like, is there any the data? So basically, there is a save function, right? So if you want to save any idea or insights, you can save it, and whatever you're searching, whatever the search term that you are searching, you can like save that in a history. That is saved in a history bar that is on the left hand side, and you can retrieve back anytime. So yeah, that is saved.
Okay, so that then it won't consume another credit again, right?
No, no, it won't consume. Like if there is on a history bar, it will just retrieve it and it won't consume any credits. And like also regarding credits, I will just like to explain like what how the credit system works. So whenever you search a term, it will generate around 8 ideas. And like if you want to generate more ideas, you can do that. So for one search term, you can generate around 50 ideas, and it will just take your one credit for each and every insight. Like even if you generate like 50 ideas with 50 insights, it will just take one credit for you, and you have like around 300 credits for your search term. So basically you can just like literally generate around 15,000 directory ideas and insights with those 300 credits. And for niche level insights, for all the insights, only one credit is used. So for like create, I will search for woodworking, and all the five insights that were generated, it just consumed one credit, and you get like around 300 credits. So 300 niches, 300 credits, and around like 15,000 plus ideas. So all in all, yeah, you're just good to go. Like if you get this lifetime deal, it's quite good because you can like have it across your life, and obviously you can generate a lot of insights on this particular with this tool. Yeah,
Actually, that another idea coming to my mind. So I mean, it actually useful for people who actually do some research, or maybe
yeah,
people who work in Upwork. So you want to do some research, needs research for people, for their
yeah,
customer, they can actually buy this LTD, and then they can do 300, 300 credit a month. So it's a lot. So basically, the customer asks you, okay, I will give you a topic or maybe a niche. Then you just use that to plug it in this
yeah,
software. Then you can actually get a very good niche insight on all the data set or whatever. Then you package it in a
yeah.
whatever package and sell it to your customer. You can make a lot of money out of that. How about that?
Yeah, yeah, there's a lot of potential in directory business, and when you get a lot of ideas, right? So
Hmm.
think about it. Like, who would woodworking is quite a traditional, search term that I did. But think about it. Like, if anything, if anyone is interested, and if I got like woodworkers suppliers directory right in front of me, who has like around lots of data in US market, it's a quite a good idea actually, right? So you can get a lot of interesting ideas from this directoryideas.ai, and you just have to like search properly for with wherever you like wherever your preference is, and you will get a lot of data backed insights. And as I like progress, this tool will get even more better because I want to like add lot of data backed ideas. Data backed is very important because you will get an understanding if that particular idea or niche is quite good for you. So I will be trying to add a lot of data backed insights along for this, along in this in the insights, like let it be any directory idea or the niche. So yeah.
Okay, so let me project up this question.
Okay.
What are the future plan and functionality about this tool? Maybe you have to show your roadmap. Can you just show the
Yeah.
road?
Basically, I'll show you the roadmap. Okay.
I already project the screen. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So currently, this is my roadmap, but obviously you can suggest a lot of things. So there were some, done features here. In progress is like their business model. So one of the person who bought directory ideas, he wanted like to add like a business model inside. So if I am like searching, if I got woodworking supplies directory, what are the some of the business models that I can do? Like, is there any lead generation business model I can do with this directory idea? Or like how what type of business model I can perform with this directory idea? So business model insights, that is in progress. Then I would probably add some directory knowledge about director business, because not many people know like how to ideate, how to market, how to how to generate revenue, what kind of pricing model I should perform, how to build a directory product. So maybe I will just add some knowledgeable content for all the customers as well, obviously. And there are some insights that I want to improve, that is refine Reddit insights, then export the reports to the PDF. Deep research niche insights, I am a little bit sketchy about it, because that is why it's in review. Because like as you might know, like there are a lot of deep research features right now on the AI models. Like Google deep research is there, then Perplexity deep research is there, Then I guess open AI deep research is there. I found perplexity deep research quite good, but the problem there was like API rate limits are quite, quite competitive, because so that is why I'm like a little bit sketchy about it. So whenever the AI model gives me the nice AI with good rate limiting, good rate limiting, I would probably add deep research. And when I add deep research insights, it will do a deeper research about that directory niche, and that will be very very helpful for you in that tool. And I was like talking with Albert about the future roadmap as well. Then I was thinking about like how about adding a feature where you can generate directory niches for your for your future references. Like, so if you are like, if you want to like start a directory business in a very random niche, right? So let's suppose this product can help you with generating directory niches and unique directory niches that you might not know, and it might help you, building a quite a great directory business in that niche. So yeah, I guess that's my current roadmap. And you can like feel free to like suggest or add any suggestions that you have, and I will be happy to take a look at it. Yeah.
Okay, so let's go into the question, individual question proper. I will project it up, So let's see what are the question. Okay, can you just read it
Let's,
and also
how do they get the data? Do you buy it? No, no. So I don't buy any data. So basically this is how it works, right? So this DirectoryIdeas.ai, it has some AI models in the backend. It uses Perplexity for internet data. So we don't buy it. So whatever data that you generated is generated via AI, and along with the insights that you get, it is from internet data. So you get all the data from the internet inside this tool directly, which is like the proper or accurate internet data. And I'm also using keywords everywhere API, so you get all the proper accurate data from all the APIs. I don't buy it. So you are getting all the information in real time, so I'm not buying any data. So you are getting all the information in an accurate manner from from across the internet, right?
Mhm. So indirectly, Tejas is saying that this is the real data, live
Yeah,
data.
yeah,
So
live
you
data.
don't have to worry about, some data sets are actually very old. There is no
Also,
more valid in
yeah.
today, So
Yeah.
that kind of things.
Also, one more I would like to add one more thing. Like people are also like quite. It's quite difficult for them to, to build a directory because they don't have the data with them, right? So even if they have idea, how can I get data, right? How can I get the database for my product? So I am probably like researching another feature or a different kind of tool which will be inside directory ideas, where they will get the all the data sets and APIs. I mean, they can like search what are the kind of data sets and APIs available in that particular niche, and then they can like just go over there and download that data. I guess it's quite difficult for you to understand, but you can get data from that tool. Like what kind of data? Like you can search across the data sets, right? The data sets and APIs insights that I showed you, it can be like a different tool as well. So you can get data easily. So you don't have to search internet like how can I get data? Like obviously there are a lot of ways to get data, like crowdsourcing. You can ask your other tools, other people for the data, right? That is how nomadlist.com was built. I guess if the audience don't know about nomad list, it's like a digital nomad destinations. So Peter Levers, like how it started was like he gave a Google form to all his audience, and people like submitted the responses like about the digital nomad destinations. So that is one way. Crowdsourcing is one way. Getting data sets and APIs is one way. So there are a lot of two ways that you can get data for your directory.
Okay, just to follow up with just now, this what Philip is asking. He is asking a follow up question. Which
Okay.
AI models are used?
Okay, so basically, I'm currently using GPT-4o mini model right now, and Perplexity Sonar model for for getting the live data. And I guess GPT 4.1 was recently released, as you might know, like the recent update, like yesterday, OpenAI released GPT 4.1. There, I think there are three models. So I will probably have to check like how is the response from there, and if I am getting any good quality output from there, and if it is really good, I will just probably switch to that model later on.
I
Yeah,
think the AI models are moving very fast,
very
So
fast.
OpenAI is going to push out GPT-5 in June, 2 months time.
Yeah.
So no, Gemini might push maybe 3.0 next month or whatever. We do not know because everybody is competing with each other, which is very good for the consumer. The other problem is how I see is initially they might give you some free credits or whatever. It's a cost of accessing that kind of model. So let's see how it goes.
And
So
on adding on top of that, like as AI model increases, the quality of output also increases, right? So I
yes,
just have to like switch the model name for you guys, right? And you will get quality output.
yeah, that's important. Okay, this question is by Valentine.
Is there
Is
any?
there any inbuilt language translation?
Oh, I guess that this person is not familiar with English. Interesting. I think I would like to add that in the roadmap so that it's kind of a very global kind of a tool. Yeah, I think I don't have this, but let's see if I can like able to build inbuilt global language translation so that you can just toggle whichever language you want and just okay. That's a quite a good suggestion. Yeah,
Okay, before I forget, I have to ask this question, Tejas.
yeah.
When you put in the niche or whatever keyword that you in, is that a worldwide market or is just US market?
It's a worldwide market. Like actually, like what? Can you repeat? Like what's the question? Like
Yeah,
which?
just now you're typing in woodworking. So
Ah,
that market, so when it's search, it's actually search a worldwide market, right?
yeah, it's a worldwide market. So majorly, so see, woodworking is not very popular in entire world. It's very popular just in US market. So it depends on your term, right? So if I search cricket game, it's more popular in Asia, right? It's more popular in Asia and Australia or something like that, right? So it depends on your term, like what kind of search term that you're searching. Like football, it would be more popular in Europe, right? It's not popular in North America. Like it's more popular in South America and like Europe. So it depends on your term.
Okay, Joginda Kumar, which LTD software do you recommend for directory website?
You mean like for building a directory website?
Yes, yes, you're talking about that.
I would say there is no. I guess one tool that I use is was Spread Simple, which is like a no-code tool, which you can like you have a Google Sheet with you, and it just converts it into a directory. Then there is one app that I recently found was Directify.app. It's like one of my acquaintances on Twitter or X. It's built by Sergi, I guess. Directify.app, and there's one more tool that Paul, who was the founder of lowfruits.ai, lowfruits.io. It was like he was the previous founder of lowfruits.io, SEO tool, and he has recently started building gleanwise.com, GLEN wise.com, gleanwise.com. So it also converts your Google Sheet into a proper directory. And I also like would you to recommend like Unicorn platform. It's quite popular, but I tried Unicorn platform. I didn't like it that much because you don't have that much control. But ideally, this is where I honestly speaking from my like whatever experience that I have, I won't recommend you to get a software or any LTD, because if you do AI coding or you build a directory with AI coding, you have a lot of control with you, right? So you do AI coding and you can build a directly like that in a very easy manner. If you have bolt.new, you have lovable.dev, these are platforms where you can like just create a directory from scratch. Like you can just build a directory from scratch from there, and you have a lot of control with this AI coding platforms. So that is my ideal suggestion for anyone who are very serious about directory business. But if you are in an experimenting stage or you want to just want to like do it as a side project, I would go with Spread Simple or maybe Directify.app.
Okay, thank you. So let's move to the next question by this Joginda Kumar. Listing data sources are very helpful. Okay,
Yeah,
this is
thank
just a
you.
statement.
Yeah, it's quite helpful. Yeah.
The next one is Saravanan.
Not a minute, I let one look.
Just read up, please, sir.
Yeah, does the software provide content ideas that you can regularly publish for your directory? Content ideas. Okay. Okay. So basically, this is basically an insight inside the particular directory idea. So if I am searching for woodworking, I got an idea for woodworking suppliers directory. So this person is asking, if I build a woodworking suppliers directory, what kind of content ideas can I get? Some content ideas as well. Okay. So currently, this software doesn't provide you the content ideas that you can publish on your directory, but this can be a, you can another feature suggestion. Basically, this is you can a feature suggestion. So you can like suggest me inside the roadmap, and I can like review it later on, like how helpful that is for that particular directory.
Okay, thank you.
Can
So
you?
Valentine is something. Can I use it for local country, or which
Uh,
mean actually they want to narrow down the niche to one
yeah, you
country?
can. Yeah, yeah, you can like if you search for like probably if you are from I don't know, like Singapore. So maybe if you search for Singapore tech firms, Singapore tech firms, or Singapore anything, Singapore law, so Singapore law colleges or anything. Yeah, you can like search for it, and it will give you local country wise data. Right.
Okay.
Is this information stored for ideas, or is it generated by AI dynamically? If pre-generated, then how many ideas information is already there? No. So this is not the information is not stored in any way, because if you store the information or the ideas, it won't be that valuable, right? So these ideas are generated by AI dynamically, and it is quite interesting because you can generate a lot of ideas, and as the AI models improve, as I replace this AI models, it will generate even more quality outputs. So it's not stored beforehand. Yeah.
So it's also not pre-generated because
Yeah, not
who knows
pre-generated.
what kind of
It's,
niche you
yeah,
want.
it's a software, right? So it's a software. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Siva is asking how often is this directory data is
Yeah,
updated?
that's a good question. I think I would ideally update it in a week, like in every like 3 to 4 days or 5 days also. So ideally, I would like to update that. Yeah, and if that feature is quite complex, I need to like test out a bit. Yeah, but it's often updated around 5 to 7 days. Can I make leads website and selling other business that leads like CPA offer? Can I make leads website and selling other business that leads like CP offer? Yeah. So leads website. So this is basically you are asking. This is a business model. This is what you are asking is a leads website. Leads website is basically a business model, right? So ideally, your question is not as relevant to the product, right? You are asking a very different kind of question. Leads website is a business model, and website business model is quite good. Obviously, you can do CPA offer. Yeah, if you are into that, I would recommend you to go for it. Yeah, Leads website is quite can be quite good.
Okay, thank you. Next question is by Valentine.
Is there any integrations, maybe like Google Sheets or Airtable? I don't see like how that can be useful.
Yeah, I mean because your data sets, I mean your data is not every time is not the same.
I mean, you can already save that data inside the app. Maybe when I add export function, maybe you can like export it in a CSV format. That would be helpful.
Okay, understood.
Yeah. Can I filter by monetization type? Mm, can I filter by monetization type? Okay. I don't know how that is like, because monetization type, I guess the question is quite broad, because I don't know like how to answer that. It's the question is quite broad.
Do you show any monetization method? No, right? In the directory, in the research.
No, I don't like have monetization method. But like the okay, the person is asking if there is any But the thing is, like, you have to generate insights in order to see it, because it's not pre-generated, right? If it was pre-generated, let's suppose if it was pre-generated, then I have like 10,000 ideas with 10,000 monetization types, then you can easily filter. But this is a software, right? Then you cannot like filter directly, you have to generate insights in order to like check the monetization, right? It's a software, like in the software how you can filter, it's not a, like pre it's not a database, right? It's a software.
Okay, so Ngọc Nhu Yen is Sachin, Vietnamese language. I think you have answered that. You're going to look into
Yeah, I
that.
will like try check like if I can add the language kind of thing. No, bro. There is no API access, because currently like I am like uh, I'm using a lot of API models right now. So currently I don't have any API access. Probably in version 2 or version 3, I would like to think about it. Yeah.
Okay, this question by Ryan. Can I
Yeah.
really rely
Yeah.
on the idea
Yeah,
provided here
you
for
can really
curious?
rely on the idea. I can actually like you can really rely, because it depends on your search term as well, and of course the idea as well. So if that idea is really good, right, and you can get a lot of insights from there, and obviously you can like do you have to do some preliminary research from yourself as well. I mean, you can rely on that idea. You will get some really good ideas from here, like, so you have to like see or what are the insights that this tool is providing to you. Like there are some keyword research, keyword volume, and all of that stuff. But yeah, you can really rely, but obviously you have to do your own research as well before moving on to this particular directory idea.
Okay, thank
Does it
you.
directly?
This is Toki Tamid. Does it integrate with Notion?
I don't see like how it is useful.
Maybe you're talking about output.
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 Like, even if like output, like how is it useful? Like I don't know how it is useful.
Because the insights are so many things, unless you
Oh,
want to.
okay. So basically, it's asking up without like just like export to Notion doc. Okay, that is that the question. I guess export to Notion is the question. Like if I can export that insight into Notion, that
Yeah.
is the question maybe. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I will like think about it. Yeah, sure. Like export to Google Docs or export to Notion. Yeah.
Yes. I mean, for easy manipulation of the whatever information they want to present to the client or whatever the further
Oh,
research.
tutorials or guides. Yeah, so this is what I'm working on. So I will be adding a lot of tutorials, like in that for this particular, like tool, like how to I get ideas, how to rely on those ideas, how to get insights, how to research for with better terms, like for better inputs. Yeah, I'm working on this.
Okay,
My name
this
is
question by Javis.
this is quite good, like this obviously you can try to search, and I think it's quite a good, like I can try it for you right now, but like it's quite good. This tool can be really helpful in that. You can just like type in history documentary or geopolitics documentary, and you will get a lot of great ideas on there. Is it possible to show the trending data throughout the year for an idea? This can be added in the roadmap, but yeah, this is quite a good suggestion, I guess. But I need to like check how we can integrate probably Google Trends, but Google Trends is not. I guess they don't have an API. Uh, yeah, I need to like see how I can add the trending data for that particular term probably. I guess what I can do is like I can probably there is some trending related data with keywords everywhere, so maybe I can add that. Yeah, let's see. Does it include Web3 directories? Yeah, you can like search for Web3. So as you can search for any term, this tool can help with any particular term, right? You can include any, you can add like search for any term. Yeah, it can help. It can help include Web3 directories. What additional tool does DirectoryIdeas.ai offer? So basically, I also provide a 20% discount on my course, which is called as rapcourse.com, RAAP course.com. which is like a course to build directory products with no code and AI. It's a very detailed video course where you can like where I'm like already explained like how to build a directory with bolt.new, how to build a directory with lovable.db, how to build a directory with spread simple, how to build a directory with unicorn platform, and I have a lot of course material there. You can like check it out. So if you are a customer of DirectoryIdeas AI, you will also get 20% discount on that course as well, or you can purchase it separately. No, there is no Chrome extension.
Are you going to do one?
No, because I don't see how it can be helpful. Like I just can't understand like how Chrome extension can be helpful. Yeah.
Because the moment you do, then the credit will run off very fast. Everybody just click.
Yeah, and I don't think like how it is helpful. Like where would you and activate your Chrome extension? When would you do that? Like probably when you're searching, but you can already search inside my tool.
Mhm. Okay, so this question by Eugene, I think this has been asked, right?
Yeah, it's trending
No,
topics.
trending topics is
Trending
different.
topics like trending topics like, but in what sense? Like trending, there are thousands of trending topics in every in on the entire internet.
Uh, Maybe let me rephrase this. He had no idea what to go into, so he want to look at what are the trending topic in science or maybe in digital marketing. What kind
Hmm.
of direct you want to from a very big what I call
Okay.
idea to niche down. So this is initial.
Okay, I understood. So what if like so the person is asking like what if there was a feature called as trending? When we click on trending, it will get you trending topics, and let's suppose there are some trending topics, and if you click on trending topics, it will generate directory ideas based on that trending topics. That would be
Just
good.
like now AI is trending, so there are so many topics on AI, that kind of thing.
Yeah, I
So
think that's a really good idea because, like, when you search on trending topics, it will help you with trending topics. I'll use Perplexity or any internet-based or data to fetch the trending topics, and then when you click on one of the trending topics, you will get directory ideas based on that trending topics. Yeah, that's a really good idea. Currently, it doesn't have, but yeah, it's a good feature for the roadmap.
okay. So next question by Joginda. Do you have any
Yeah.
plan to allow users to bring your own key?
Bring your own key. No, I currently don't have that, but obviously it's like I'm already, adjusting my. I'm already allowing my key to. So that's like even if I add this feature, I might have to change a lot of pricing and a lot of stuff like that. I currently don't have any plans, but obviously, like if I'm already providing you with
No,
the
what he's trying to say is 300 is not enough.
okay, 300 is not
300 is not enough.
enough. I
Okay,
see.
you understand?
300 is enough actually. Like you can get a lot of like, ideas in 300 as well.
Okay, so next go to the next question.
You currently
Do you
have a mobile.
currently have a mobile app or are you planning to launch one soon?
I currently don't have a mobile app, but I will see like if this app can be optimized on mobile browser itself. So it will be quite helpful because people want to like search ideas directly on mobile. I don't want to get onto laptop or iPad, right? So yeah, I can plan for mobile optimized browser, but not mobile app.
Okay, so
Not
this is
right now, but like yes, like if it's quite easy for me to switch into a mobile app, that would be I think really good and really valuable for all the customers.
but for me, I mean, if you are doing research, we need a big screen. For me, I
I-
like to have rather than from
yeah,
on the
yeah,
small screen.
you need a laptop or a big iPad.
Yeah, I mean, multiple screen is if possible. I mean, this is just personal preference. Okay, next question is very long by
As
Niraj.
from blogging to directory, so can you tell me what are the key factors that make a directory website profitable and how do you differ from running a blog? So it's quite different from running a blog. So in order to make your directory website profitable, I would recommend to think outside the box. Just don't build a directory which are like really which are already there. Like think differently. So what I have learned is that if you create a very unique kind of directory, it will create more eyeballs. But if you want to build a directory which is already there, you need to like put a lot of efforts to make your directory stand out. So that is there. And in directory, so recently, there is one guy called Ian Newton on Twitter. He created a directory of MCP directory using cursor,
Mm.
and he is getting like a lot of traffic. So it all depends. Like if you find any trending topic and you build a directory immediately, you'll get a lot of traffic and all of that stuff. And there's one more directory called nomadleo.com. So nomads.com, you already know, it was built by Peter Levels. But there was one more guy who built a directory called nomadleo.com, nomadlio.com, which is an even better product than Nomad List. So it depends, like you in what kind of thinking you are like. And of course, in a blog you have to do SEO and all of that stuff, but in directory you can do programmatic SEO and a lot of other stuff as well to attract more traffic. Yeah, there's a lot
Okay.
of difference in,
So I guess blogging and directory business are two different business model.
yeah,
So it depends. Like I mean, Google is a directory as well, search directory. So they're making tons of money. So
yeah. Is there any more questions?
yes, there are about maybe another 10 question, if I'm not wrong. Does
Does
it
it market?
list marketplaces?
uh, like I don't understand like the question, like what kind of marketplaces?
Maybe you say you want to sell some directory, a place for people to buy and sell directories.
Or maybe he's asking if I can list. I don't
Yes,
understand. Okay, he's asking. Okay, I understood the question right now. He is asking whether it can generate marketplace ideas.
or marketplace idea. Yeah, marketplace
So
is also a
what you
valid.
can do is like the person who is asking, what you can do is like whatever search term you have, right? Just add marketplace ahead of it, and
I
it will
see.
generate marketplace ideas for you.
Okay. So next question by Ibrahim Shah. Can I
And then
create a personal idea bank?
of course, you can create a personal idea bank. You can save all the ideas and all the insights. That is the basically a personal idea bank.
Okay, Rafil
It's
will ask,
niche
does
validation.
it
Yes,
help you niche
it does help
validation?
with niche validation, and I am open to your feedback. Like what kind of data you need to validate your niche. I am already adding a lot of more data to for directory niche validation, and there is a niche validator inside, and it's free to use. By the way, there are no credits used in niche validator, and yeah, it does help with niche validation, and I will improve it as the time progresses, and yeah, I'm open to feedback if you want to, if you have any.
Okay, before we go to the next question, let me put up the link for the giveaway participation form. So guys, we'll project it up, and this is the form, and I also put up in the live chat as well.
Yeah,
So
that
just
would
give
be
me a minute.
yeah, that would be great.
Yeah, give me a minute because before I forget, what I have a lot of other work to do. Okay, I put it in the live chat. So if you are participating, please do the necessary as usual.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move to the next question. Oh, wait. Okay, this is interesting question.
Is there any gamification or progress tracking? I
Why
don't
do you
see like
need yeah, why
what
do you
kind
need navigation?
what kind of progress do you want?
Progress tracking, maybe talking about uh, from the way you niche research up to setting up a directory.
I mean, I mean, currently my product just only helps with addition and insights. So Okay, like you want like a strategic roadmap for you.
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe.
Okay, like that. Okay, inside a profile menu, to
Mm.
track the progress. Like, okay, I have my ideation done. Now I'm at I'm at building stage. Now I'm at marketing stage. Okay, you want like that in a profile menu,
Yeah,
maybe like
maybe.
that.
Maybe
Maybe.
what next? What next? You kind
What
of
next?
thing.
Yeah.
Okay, this question by Valentine, I think you have answered that, and
The
also
history.
the
Yes,
history
yeah,
is
yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah. We do have a history, so you don't have to like do the same research. And when we want, you can just go to the left hand sidebar in the history, and you can retrieve all the results.
So this
On
is
that,
also
good
been
calculator.
asked.
Yeah, you can like add your term, like whatever term that you want to add, like the niche term, woodworking, and then United States or United Kingdom or anything like just type it. Is there any education content available? Yeah, so I am already giving access to the course which is 20% off, 20% discounted to the course building directory products with no code and AI. And regarding educational content for this tool, I am already working on that, which will be free for all the customers, like how to use this tool and how to do all of that. But if you want to like educate yourself in on the directory business itself, like how to do all of that stuff, there is this course, rapcourse.com, RAAP. Like, can you like add in the chat itself?
Uh, can you just private chat me? Then I will just copy.
Okay, so this is the course, and you can even get it inside, this inside the tool, which is for 20% off. So rapcourse.com would be the course, so, and that's the educational content.
Okay, I will just start it. No, hold on. Give me a minute.
Yeah,
Okay, rep cost. Yeah, I put up already.
yeah,
Okay, next question is
yeah. Does the platform regularly updates or news? Yeah. Oh, basically, I forgot to share. I also have a newsletter. So this with this newsletter, I share like around three directory interesting directory ideas every week. So might as well like go to directoryideas.ai, and there's a newsletter menu, like, and you can just like get into the newsletter as well. I also have this newsletter with me, and basically you can and regular with regular updates. I do have regular updates with me. Yeah, like around 4 to 5 days, I do update the tool.
okay. Next question by
Give me the
Siva.
practical how to market my directors and get more traffic. Okay, so yeah, this is inside the marketing strategies. So this is like I would be adding a lot more detailed insights on marketing. Your directory product. So practical step by step guide I would be adding into my roadmap. So yeah, my focus would be on marketing and getting more traffic. So insights would be good. Do you get detailed info on market size? Yes, yes, you do get market size on any niche. So
Yeah,
you
this
just
this was shown in the demo actually.
yeah, yeah, you do get all the detailed information. Is there a cooperation feature like team research option? I don't know how it how this is.
I mean, you you have another user access the same data workspace.
Is there a cooperation feature like team research? Like, are you like asking like, is there any team option?
Yeah, this is. I mean, maybe it is a company. They got three or four people. So
Okay, okay. I got it. Okay. So maybe if I create a new pricing model where 4 to 5 people can get access to the directory ideas, that's what he's asking. Okay. Or I don't know, like was it, but like if okay, but like they need to get access to only one dashboard, right? Not every other dashboard, separate dashboard. I don't currently have like that team research option, which where one would collaborate on a single, dashboard. but I can give discounts if you want to buy this tool in bulk for your team.
Okay, I guess I typed wrongly the name of the directory ideas giveaway. So sorry guys, you can actually correct the what they call the links. I will put up again. Okay, this is the correct link. The okay, I've already corrected the link, so try again.
Okay.
In the meanwhile, we will just go on with the question.
Okay. I want to list Indian food businesses in the United advice on how the best ways to gather and organize accurate data. Indian food businesses in UK and best ways to gather. So this particular tool, DirectoryIdeas.ai, will not like tell you like currently it will help you with with ideas and insights, and it'll also show you some data like how you can get it. But like this is like a very customized kind of a query from you, and you can okay you just need advice on best ways to gather. Like I'm not sure like how you can gather all this data, but just do a Google search and see what kind of websites they have, and probably try to scrape it out with web scraping perhaps.
Okay, yeah, there is some error again in the the link. Sorry, guys. Actually, you can actually correct it. Go dot download silo directory idea giveaway. This is the last one. Should be correct.
Okay.
Okay, next question.
Here, does this help YouTube content creators? I have a YouTube channel. Uh, uh, I guess it can help YouTube content creators. It depends like what kind of niche you are in. So let's suppose you have a YouTube channel in the tech market, and you search an interesting product idea and direct for tech, and you can build a directory product and just you can like sell all to your audience. That would be great actually. So if you have a YouTube channel, this tool would be great because you can just sell it to your audience right away.
Okay, so Prakash
It,
was saying 300 is not enough. That's what I
actually,
told you.
it's enough. Actually, I don't think people are not understanding how the credit works. 300 is not 300 directory ideas. 300 is equal to 15,000 ideas. So for one credit, you will get around 50 plus ideas for each and every term along with the insights. So they can like add like they can search anytime like 300 I will bet like 300 would not be sufficient. It would be very sufficient. And if they like if this like exhaust, they can just email me and I'll see what I can do.
Okay, next question. Are there real world example of case study available?
Real world examples there I do already share, like if there are any competitor websites available for that directory, I already list that inside the insights. And case studies I don't know how that would work.
Okay, let's move to the next question.
Do you have any plans for generating detailed information that can be used to create a POC with AI for that idea, like for spread simple? Hmm. Detailed information product. Okay. I don't have any plans like that because I need to like so AI models right now are like don't have they have a cutoff, but yeah, maybe I can like yeah, I think I can like add some two or three tools in my AI prompt, and they can generate a POC detailed information. But that's a good suggestion, I would say. Like, just add, suggest me inside the feature. Like, I will just give you the link, and you can just like give me the feedback over here, and I would be happy to check it out. So, Albert, I have already shared a link, so you can just people can share their feedback here. so
Yeah,
that they can suggest me.
I will just share the link.
Oh yeah,
Okay, let's move to the next one.
yeah. Albert, how many questions do we have now?
A few more.
Okay, okay.
Okay, what are the target audience?
Directory ideas. Yeah. A target audience is like anyone who wants to build a directory business. It can be founders, it can be bloggers, content creators, entrepreneurs, or anyone who wants to start a side project. Because directory can be built by anyone, right? So there is no target audience as such, but it can be built by anyone. So if you are interested in building a directory business, you can just get the subscription for this.
Okay, so this is the last question.
Does directory idea has a team feature and white label? Oh, okay. So it doesn't have a team feature right now, and it doesn't have a white label. Yeah, but yeah, I'm open to this suggestion, and I will have to think about it. Like I got like two questions regarding team features, and I guess that's quite in demand. So I would have to think about this and how I can give you a team feature inside the Triad. I will have to think about it properly. Yeah,
Okay, so we have actually answered most of the question, if not
yes,
all. So let's do the giveaway. Uh,
yeah.
can you just continue to educate them while I actually get all the names up and put it in the views of name?
Yeah, so people have already submitted the form.
Yes, I'm just collecting the form now.
How many entries have you got?
About 26.
26. That's a good entry.
Okay, so let me share my screen.
Yeah,
Share my screen. Hold on. Okay, Guy, can you see that? Yeah, I think you can see that now. I can see that now.
yeah,
Okay, I have to.
yeah,
Okay, guys, this is the views of name. So when I spin three times, that means there are three winners because the LTD is actually one tier, 149 before discount, 20%. And I was told by Tejas, he has just added a two payment system. You can actually do installment two times, right?
yeah. So you can get three directory. I mean giveaway. The three winners we have.
No, what I mean is if you don't if they want to buy, they can buy in two installment instead of
Yeah,
one.
yeah. So installment is like around like if you don't win. So currently you have like 20% discount with download silo as a coupon code, and after that it comes at around $119, and then you can buy it in installment as well. So it's like around I guess around $55 in installment in 2 months,
Okay.
and also you have like 14 days like a refund policy you can like explore.
Okay, guys, let me spin the giveaway. So, as usual, the person who has won, yes, will show that you are present and type your name in the chat so that we know you're around. Okay, let's go now. Rafil, Anik, so are you there? I
Yeah, yeah,
think.
I'm here.
No, Rafil, Anik, I'm as the winner. So, please type your name there so that we can know that you can award this giveaway to you. Just type your name in the chat so that I can see that. Then I was while waiting for you to type your name, I will just spin the second time. Rohit, same for Rohit. Please do the necessary. Okay, I will spin the last time. Okay, let me copy this name first. Okay, Rohit is there. Congratulations. Who else? Where's the other two? Rafil is here. Okay, where is Prakash? Is it Prakash? I'm not sure. Let me check. Where is Prakash? Prakash GX. Okay, that's you. Okay, congratulations, guys. I don't know. Maybe Tejas has left, or maybe his internet got problem. I'm not sure. So let's do the wrap up. Okay, guys. So this is what we have for today's webinar, and congratulations for all the winners. And please, I will make an announcement in the tomorrow or so on the winner, how to claim the prize. So just wait for the announcement. I will make that. And before we end, so as usual, for those who did not win, please buy it. You will think that it will help you in your business. Or no, in the screen, you have 20% discount for using download Silo coupon code. So of course, this is a new product, and it might be have some a lot of bugs or whatever you want to call it. So, but Tejas is a good guy, so he can actually try to solve it by himself, because he is also experienced coder. Okay, guys, thank you for coming, and we'll see you in the next webinar.